Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the sound or audio settings on your macOS Big Sur device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to go select the headphone or sound icon up on the menu bar up here. If you don't see it, you may have to go into System Preferences down in our System Dock and select the sound button, and then make sure show volume in menu bar is checkmarked. And now, like I said, go back up to the menu bar up here, and then you can select sound preferences. So again, it opens up the same screen here, but just wanted to give you guys a shortcut on how to access it. So anyway, you can adjust different alert sounds. So when there's a different alert or pop-up, you have different sounds to choose from, which you have the ability to use. Also change the alert volume sound by adjusting how loud you want it to be, and you also adjust the output volume sound too. If you select the output and input tabs, you can adjust this as well, so adjust the balancing as well for the output device as well as for the input device. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.